you gonna do? What you gonna do when they
Well, we're just going to be do a drive-by by this island, which is Fatu Huku or Fatu Huku. I think that's what he said here. So we couldn't go out in the Zodiacs or anything because it was too rough for landings at the other islands. So, and there's a little arch like a cave or something in there. It's pretty far away, but you can see it. I'm going to try to get up to the front of the ship here. We're wobbling a little bit here. It's going to be windy up here, so you're going to get some wind noise here. And yeah, there we are. Okay, lots of wind. I don't have the wind cushion on, so too many things to do. I'm only one man, so I can't do everything here, but there's a little archway right over there. Looks more like a cavern or something. Looks like a bunch of them over there too, like it's weathered away on the rocks there. We're on into the wind here. Oh, we're getting a little more sun on this side here. See some little trees at the very top there. Looks like a crew cut or something there. Yeah, it does there. Nothing else growing on it. I guess it only maybe gets some sun and rain at the top. The rest is just rocks. Yeah, right at the top there. There's a bird. Maybe he's going to land here. I don't know. Could be an ominous sign. I don't know. Oh, there goes the Zodiac. Going out. See, there's the birds flying overhead here. They're looking for snacks. There goes the Zodiac out there. Yeah, staying on the ship here. You can see the little color change as the sun hits it there. All rocks. There's a little green spot right up there. And yeah, there's some of those birds like you see in the Galapagos. They puff up their chins to this big red billowing thing. I forget what you call them. A lot of birds up at the top there. Yeah, there's a lot of them up there. We got noise here from the ship with the anchors and everything up here. So there's a lot of noise going on. From birds flying overhead. Look at those guys up there. I may have to silence this and do a voiceover later so you don't hear all that noise. But yeah, we're on the ship here. Here we go. We're up here. Right at the top of the ship, there's the sun out there. Yeah, right up there. We got everything going on up here. So, all right. There we go. I got yours truly here. And yeah, I got the island right out in back of me here. Ship's at anchor, a little bit moving here, back and forth. Very windy. Oh, that noise stopped down at the bottom. So. And here's one of the Zodiacs coming back. That must have been an exploratory Zodiac to see, because there might be a little cut right in there where you can go in between. Maybe it's two separate rocky little islands, or at least an indentation, because there's only one person in that Zodiac there. A little quieter on this side here, so I'm a little bit out of the wind here. So maybe this is the good side to be. So yeah. There we go. All right, looking good there. You know, people got their big lenses out there, zooming right in on. You can zoom right in on a bird there, and see it really good here. But me, I'm not a birder here, so you know. Oh, there's the other Zodiacs there. Yeah, they were all in there checking out. I guess there 3 of them went in there. No passengers in there yet. I think the passengers are going to be loading up right now. Water looks pretty calm. No big wave action here. So it looks pretty good if you wanted to take a Zodiac ride. It's actually warmer here now at the ship's anchor. When we were moving, it was a little cooler because the wind was really blowing then. But since we anchored here, well, I'm on the leeward side of the ship here too. So, but nice time of day. But there you go. But I didn't want to get suited up with my life vest and get splashed and get wet again and get all seawater on me, and then go down and have my cocktail then before dinner. So Yeah, there they are. They're coming back. Pretty soon people will be going out from the back of the ship. There's another Zodiac being offloaded there. Okay. There's one of the first Zodiacs going in there. See if they see me, give me a wave. No, I guess they're not. Nobody's. There's a Zodiac's going in there. Farewell to arms there, folks. Bye-bye. They're zooming in there. They got jackets on there. Some of them long sleeve shirts because it is a little cooler out here. It's late in the day. It's just around 17:05. Yeah. There you go there. Look at that. They're going over to the island there. See if they make that turn into that little indentation there. We can't really see in there from the angle that the ship is anchored at, but there'll be more Zodiacs going out there. So the ones in the first boat are going to have the most time there because they have all the Zodiacs in the water and as many people as want to go. So 10 Zodiacs will hold 100 people, and we only have 92 passengers, and some of us like me aren't going. So yeah, so that'll be fine. Hey, we got some birds flying above us here, like right up here. They're looking down at us here. You can see them here. They're checking us out. They're getting lower and lower. Maybe they want to. There's one right here. He's right here on top of me here. So look out there. It was after me there, I think. He's gonna. Whoa! There he comes again. Here.
Curious eyes, huh?
Yeah. He's coming down on me there. So I had a duck.
Yeah, the duck.
I didn't know what he was going to do.
Stay away from our territory, don't bother.
Yeah, yeah. So. All right, here he comes again. He's coming around this side here.
Oh, that's a frigate, look like.
Hey, it's probably something he hasn't seen in a while here. He wants to come check it out. Maybe he saw the glitter of my little pin here. Maybe he thought it was
Something to eat.
something to eat there. Yeah, look at that. Wow, that was a close encounter. Yeah, I don't know if I got it on video because I had a duck. So, oh man. Oh, now they're all gone there.